Okay, now let me teach you the Chinese word for microwave oven, 微波炉. Wei bo means microwave, and wei micro, bo wave, lu is another word which means oven here. So microwave oven. It's very easy to remember. And wei, you need to pay attention to the part in the middle. Here is a very short vertical, horizontal, don't forget. And wei basically means very tiny, little. Bo. Here, bo contains the water radical because bo also in Chinese means wave. And lu, because it means oven, so it has the fire radical. And the right is its pronunciation part. 微波炉 again. Wei bo lu, microwave oven.